Okay, so our next one is Private Equity Deal of the Year, and Agata, if you would read off our short list.
Coast to Coast Capital, Profi, Penta Investments, Nemos Group, Innova Capital, Profim, Genesis Capital, HP Tronic Group, and Dietart.
Okay, and Chris, if you'll read out the winner.
I will. The lucky and deserved winners should rather not sit down, gentlemen. Can I have you back, Coast to Coast Capital? The Profi deal won another award. That makes 2 bottles of wine for 2 attendants. I think that is a good average. Yeah.
We'll do another photo for the Profi deal, of course. And feel free to say anything you would like.
I guess now everyone really is invited, because we won't get much work done if we've got 2 to get done. But 2017 was definitely a great year for us. 4 transactions in the region, and many in this room helped make it a successful year, so stay tuned for more. In the meantime, thank you very much.
Congratulations, thank you.
Yes, congratulations.